Welcome back to our business series. Today, we'll be discussing why starting an LLC in Nebraska might be the right choice for you. We'll also provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC and obtain an EIN in Nebraska. So, let's dive in. Why start an LLC in Nebraska? Nebraska, often referred to as the Cornhusker State, offers a range of advantages for entrepreneurs looking to establish their own business. Here are a few key reasons why starting an LLC in Nebraska might be a wise decision. 1. Favorable business climate. Nebraska boasts a favorable business climate with low business costs, including affordable real estate, utilities, and labor. This can significantly benefit startups and small businesses, allowing them to maximize their resources and increase profitability. 2. Limited liability protection. The primary reason to start an LLC is the limited liability protection it provides. As a separate legal entity from its owners, an LLC shields your personal assets from any liabilities or debts incurred by the business. This means that if the business faces financial difficulties or legal issues, your personal assets, such as your home or savings, remain protected. 3. Flexible management structure. LLCs in Nebraska offer a flexible management structure. Unlike corporations that require a board of directors and specific officer positions, an LLC allows its members to determine their own management and decision-making processes. This flexibility enables entrepreneurs to structure their business in a way that aligns with their vision and objectives. 4. Pass-through taxation. One of the significant advantages of an LLC is its pass-through taxation. In Nebraska, LLCs are not subject to entity-level taxes. Instead, the profits and losses of the LLC pass through to the individual members, who report them on their personal tax returns. This avoids double taxation and simplifies the tax process for business owners. 5. Business incentives and support. Nebraska offers various business incentives and support programs to encourage entrepreneurship and economic growth. These incentives include tax credits, grants, and specialized programs tailored to specific industries. Additionally, the state provides resources, such as business development centers and networking opportunities, to help entrepreneurs thrive. Now that we've explored the advantages of starting an LLC in Nebraska, let's move on to the step-by-step guide on how to set up your LLC and obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Select a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC. Ensure that it complies with Nebraska's naming requirements, which typically include the words Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC in the name. You can check the availability of your chosen name on the Nebraska Secretary of State's website. Step 2. File the Articles of Organization. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with the Nebraska Secretary of State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes information such as the LLC's name, registered agent, members, and duration. You can file the Articles of Organization online or by mail, along with the required filing fee. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent for your LLC. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal and official documents on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Nebraska and be available during business hours. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Next, it's important to create an operating agreement for your LLC. While Nebraska does not legally require an operating agreement, it is highly recommended. This agreement outlines the ownership structure, roles and responsibilities of the members, voting rights, profit distribution, and other important provisions. It helps establish clear guidelines and expectations for the LLC's operation. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number issued by the IRS to identify your LLC for tax purposes. You will need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, and fulfill your tax obligations. You can obtain an EIN by completing the online application on the IRS website or by submitting Form SS4 by mail or fax. Step 6. Register for state and local taxes. To ensure compliance with Nebraska's tax regulations, you may need to register for state and local taxes. This includes sales tax, withholding tax, if you have employees, and any applicable licenses or permits. Visit the Nebraska Department of Revenue website for more information and to register for the necessary taxes. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate legally in Nebraska. Research the requirements related to your industry and location and obtain the necessary licenses from the relevant state and local authorities. Step 8. Open a business bank account. Separating your personal and business finances is crucial for the smooth operation of your LLC. Open a business bank account to keep your LLC's funds separate from your personal funds. Choose a reputable bank that offers suitable business banking services and gather the necessary documents, such as your LLC formation documents, EIN, and identification. Step 9. Comply with ongoing requirements. After forming your LLC, it's essential to stay compliant with ongoing requirements. This includes filing annual reports with the Nebraska Secretary of State, maintaining accurate records of your financial transactions, holding meetings as outlined in your operating agreement, and fulfilling any other obligations specific to your industry. Starting an LLC in Nebraska can provide you with the advantages of limited liability protection, a favorable business climate, flexible management, and tax benefits. By following the step-by-step guide we provided, you can establish your LLC and obtain an EIN efficiently. Remember to consult with a professional, such as an attorney or tax advisor, to ensure compliance with all legal and regulatory requirements. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.